Hello everyone, welcome to daily MCQs for July 5th, 2018. These MCQs and the related information is going to be very important for the upcoming RBI examination 2018. So without wasting any time, let's start with the discussion. The first question is, what is the name of the initiative recently launched by Delhi government to increase the reach of transportation facilities? The answer is Connect Delhi, D. Connect Delhi. Under this initiative, the Delhi government is carrying out a holistic planning exercise in order to connect all the transport facilities, public transport facilities that are there in the state, such as buses, metro feeder services, you have rural transport vehicles, etc., etc., in order to make them available within 500 meters of walking distance from any part of the city. Riang tribe belongs to which state? The answer is Tripura B. It is one of the 21 scheduled tribes of the Indian state of Tripura, and they are also known as Brus in Mizoram. In Mizoram, they are known as Brus, or traditionally Bru also. More than 30,000 people belonging to the Bru community fled from Mizoram to Tripura in 1997, and now the government is trying to rehabilitate these people back to Mizoram. Each Brew family will be provided a sum of rupees 4 lakh for rehabilitation, financial assistance for their rehabilitation. The committee under Special Secretary in the Home Ministry, led by Reena Mitra, will be coordinating the implementation of this agreement between the centre, Tripura, as well as Mizoram. So, three parties, centre, Tripura, and Mizoram, for this agreement and implementation. The Election Commission has recently launched dash labels to ensure greater participation of people. The answer is C. Braille. It is specifically for visually challenged electors across the country, and the Chief Election Commissioner, who is the Chief Election Commissioner, O.P. Rawat has decided to establish an auxiliary polling stations during elections for people with disabilities. So these are for visually challenged people, and now auxiliary stations for visually challenged people will also be established at the time of elections. What is the purpose of DNA Technology Use and Application Regulation Bill 2018? To establish National DNA Bank, to establish DNA Profiling Board, use the data for forensic purposes. The answer is E, all of these. The purpose is simply justice delivery at a faster and more accurate rate in the country. The bill will allow law enforcement agencies will be allowed under the bill to collect DNA samples of criminals of parties to various issues, create DNA profiling of those people, and special data banks for investigation will be created. Which airport is to be renamed to Maharaja Bikram Manikya Kishore Airport? A very important question. High chances that this question will be asked in the examination. The answer is D. Agartala Airport in the state of Tripura. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. It is a demand of the people of Tripura as well as the Tripura government for paying tribute to Maharaja Bir Bikram. Now, what exactly and why is this Maharaja so important? In 1942, the land over which the airport presently stands was donated by the Maharaja to the government of Tripura, or to the government at that point of time before independence. And he also took several more steps for the development of Tripura during his reign. And therefore, now as a tribute, the Agartala airport has been renamed as Maharaja Bir Bikram Manikya Kishore Airport. Which state government has launched the Mukhyamantri Jan Kalyan Sambal Yojana 2018? The answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. The purpose is for registered labourers in the unorganized sector and BPL families to provide them electricity at a subsidized rate of rupees 200 for registered labourers as well as unorganized sector in the state, families and households in the state, to allow them to have access to electricity at a cheaper rate. Union Cabinet allowed the Human Resource Development Ministry to raise dash from the market for funding education, research and infrastructure. The answer is A. 1 trillion rupees. This is very important. High chances that this will be asked in some or the other way in the examination. The purpose is better educational infrastructure, and this will be done under HEFA, or Higher Education Financing Agency, which has been recently created as a non-banking financial company under HRD Ministry. So both HEFA I have discussed in the past videos. You can refer to those videos to study about HEFA. And now the government has allowed HRD Ministry to raise 1 trillion rupees from the market in order to develop education, research as well as infrastructure in the country. What is the name of newly launched mutual funds business of Yes Bank? A very important question. High chances this will be asked in the examination. Yes Asset Management India Limited is the name. Yes Bank is the fourth largest private sector bank in the country, and recently SEBI is the organization or the entity which gives approvals for commencing mutual fund businesses in the country, and therefore Yes Bank has achieved or has attained approval from SEBI in order to create a mutual fund house. RBI has issued license to which bank to operate in India? The answer is Bank of China. C. Bank of China. In 2011, another bank, Industrial and Commercial Bank of China (ICBC), was given approval to have its branch in India, and its branch is in Mumbai. And now RBI has given another license to Bank of China for opening its branches in India. Which of the following does not form part of the 6 key factors affecting domestic inflation? A very good question. This was a part of bi-monthly monetary policy of RBI. A total of 6 factors were identified that affect domestic inflation. They were crude prices, number 1, global financial developments, number 2, good monsoons, number 3, house rent allowance revisions, number 4, household inflationary expectations, number 5, household inflationary expectations, number 5, and the sixth one is revision in MSPs, minimum support prices. So revision in MSPs is the sixth one. More import of goods and services is not going to have any impact on inflation. It is expected to have an impact on the foreign exchange rate as well as foreign exchange reserve of the country, and therefore this is not connected with inflation. So that is all for today's current affairs MCQs. If you like this lecture, please subscribe to my channel now so that you can get notifications about the future videos. You can also provide me feedback in the description in the comment section below. There are Telegram groups, Facebook groups as well as my Android app named as Infinity, the links of which are available in the description section below.